VAST has recently revealed the Haven 2, an advanced next-generation space habitat that is designed to fundamentally change how humans live and work in space for extended periods. This innovative habitat is engineered to support long-duration missions beyond Earth, including journeys to the Moon, Mars, and orbital stations. Haven 2 is equipped with highly sophisticated life support systems that carefully manage air quality, temperature, and water recycling, ensuring astronauts can maintain health and comfort during long stays in space. One of its most notable features is its advanced radiation shielding, which protects inhabitants from the harmful effects of cosmic rays and solar radiation, a critical factor in making deep space missions viable. The habitat's modular design allows it to be highly adaptable, so sections can be added, removed, or reconfigured according to mission needs, making it an incredibly flexible environment for both living and working. Haven 2 prioritizes efficiency, sustainability, and comfort, creating a space where astronauts can carry out research, industrial projects, and potentially lay the groundwork for future long-term colonization. By pushing the boundaries of human space exploration, VAST is demonstrating that living and operating in space can be safe, practical, and even sustainable. This groundbreaking habitat opens entirely new opportunities for scientific discovery, technological testing, and expanding humanity's presence beyond Earth. Haven 2 is more than just a shelter in space. It represents a pivotal step toward making human life beyond our planet a realistic and achievable future, marking a new era in exploration where the possibilities are virtually limitless. This version is over 200 words and will naturally take more than a minute to read aloud. Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased, polished version of your script that's over 200 words and should comfortably last more than a minute when read aloud. Imagine a 3D printing technology that completely changes the way we create, innovate, and produce. Vortex printing is redefining the world of additive manufacturing by making multi-material 3D printing more efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly than ever before. In conventional 3D printing, whenever you switch colors or materials, the printer must purge excess filament to prevent mixing, a process that wastes material, increases costs, and slows production. Vortex's revolutionary zero-purge system eliminates this waste entirely, allowing seamless transitions between different materials and colors without any interruption. This breakthrough doesn't just save money, it dramatically improves efficiency, making the printing process faster and more reliable. It opens up new possibilities for industrial applications, rapid prototyping, and the creation of highly complex and intricate designs that were previously difficult or expensive to achieve. Beyond operational advantages, this technology takes a significant step toward sustainability by minimizing plastic waste and reducing the environmental impact of 3D printing. Designers and engineers can now push the boundaries of creativity while remaining responsible toward the planet. With the Vortex Zero Purge system, speed, precision, and sustainability converge in a single, innovative platform. It sets a new standard for what is possible in 3D printing, making it not only a practical solution for industry, but also a visionary leap toward a more efficient and environmentally conscious future in manufacturing. If you want, I can also make a slightly more dramatic spoken word version that emphasizes pauses, excitement, and flow, perfect for a 1-minute live pitch or video narration. Do you want me to do that? The Walk-On Suit F1 is a cutting-edge robotic exoskeleton designed to revolutionize the way people with lower limb paralysis regain their mobility and independence. Developed by South Korea's renowned CAST, this advanced suit combines state-of-the-art robotics with a lightweight and highly efficient design, allowing users to stand, walk, and even climb stairs with remarkable ease. Unlike earlier exoskeletons, the walk-on suit F1 focuses on providing natural movement and stability, enabling wearers to experience smoother walking patterns and better balance, which is essential for daily life and rehabilitation. At its core, the suit employs powerful actuators and highly precise motion control systems, making it possible for users to perform complex movements with confidence and safety. The walk-on suit F1 is not only a breakthrough in medical and rehabilitative technology, but also a glimpse into the future of wearable robotics, where human potential is enhanced by seamless integration with intelligent machines. Its user-friendly design ensures comfort and ease of use, allowing individuals to wear it for extended periods without strain, while its advanced mechanics replicate natural human gait and posture. Beyond helping individuals recover physical abilities, the suit represents a transformative step in technology, showing how robotics can overcome physical limitations and empower people to lead more independent, fulfilling lives. It bridges the gap between human capability and engineering innovation, opening doors to possibilities that were once considered unattainable. This exoskeleton is more than just a tool for mobility. It is a milestone in the evolving relationship between humans and machines, demonstrating how technology can restore freedom, dignity, and confidence to those who need it most. Word count: 220. If you want, I can also make a version that flows even more like a 1-minute spoken narration, so it feels natural for a video script. Do you want me to do that? The Winnebago Forza is a Class A motorhome that masterfully blends luxury, comfort, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for couples, families, and groups of friends who love to explore the open road in style. With a wide variety of floor plans available, the Forza offers flexibility to suit different travel needs and lifestyles. Built on a robust Freightliner XCS chassis, this motorhome is powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-needle turbocharged diesel engine, ensuring both power and reliability for long-distance journeys. Safety is a key focus, with features like anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control included as standard, giving drivers peace of mind while on the move. Inside, the Forza continues to impress with its thoughtfully designed living space. The spacious interior includes a comfortable sofa, a theater seating system, and a large TV, creating a perfect environment for relaxation and entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped, allowing travelers to prepare and cook meals conveniently while on the road. The bedroom bed, along with ample storage, providing a cozy retreat at the end of the day. Additional amenities elevate the comfort and convenience of the Forza, including a central vacuum system, a washer and dryer, and even a fireplace, creating a home-like atmosphere wherever the journey takes you. Every aspect of the 2023 Winnebago Forza is designed to combine functionality with luxury, making it more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle on wheels, ready to deliver unforgettable road trips with ease, comfort, and style. This version is over 200 words and will comfortably take more than a minute to present. If you want, I can also make an even more engaging and conversational version suitable for video narration. Do you want me to do that? Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased version of your script in over 200 words that would comfortably take more than a minute to present. The Robotics Alex, commonly referred to as Alex, is a highly advanced robotic exoskeleton that has been engineered to dramatically enhance human strength, mobility, and endurance. Designed using cutting-edge materials that are both lightweight and durable, this exoskeleton enables users to carry heavy loads with ease, perform repetitive or physically taxing tasks without excessive strain, and significantly reduce the risk of injuries in high-demand environments. Whether in industrial settings, construction sites, military operations, or emergency response scenarios, Alex is built to support human performance while minimizing fatigue. What makes this technology truly remarkable is its intelligent control system, which seamlessly adapts to the wearer's natural movements, making the exoskeleton feel like a natural extension of the body rather than a separate mechanical device. This fluid integration allows for more precise, efficient, and comfortable movement, transforming the way humans interact with robotic assistants. Beyond everyday labor, Alex opens up possibilities for disaster relief, logistics operations, and defense applications, where enhanced capabilities can save both time and lives. By combining robotics with human physiology in such a harmonious way, Alex represents a significant leap forward in wearable technology, creating a vision of the future where exoskeletons are not merely specialized tools, but essential instruments that improve safety, efficiency, and overall human potential. If you want, I can also make an even more dramatic, engaging version that flows like a narration for presentations or videos, guaranteed to last over a minute when read aloud. Do you want me to do that? Toyota's Woven City is a groundbreaking initiative that represents the future of urban living, blending advanced technology, sustainable energy, and human-centered design into a fully connected city at the base of Mount Fuji. The project spans 175 acres and is being brought to life by the acclaimed Danish architect Bjarke Ingels, who has envisioned a city where technology is seamlessly woven into everyday life. The plans for this ambitious development were first revealed in January 2020, and construction began in early 2021, marking the start of an unprecedented experiment in modern urban design and innovation. Energy sustainability is at the core of Woven City. The city will primarily rely on hydrogen-powered fuel cells to generate electricity, a technology derived from Toyota's innovative Mirai vehicle. This approach ensures that the city operates with minimal carbon emissions, demonstrating how clean energy solutions can be integrated into urban infrastructure. The city's name, Woven City, reflects Toyota's vision of intertwining roads, mobility, and futuristic technologies with the daily routines of its residents, creating a dynamic and adaptive urban environment. Initially, the city will accommodate around 360 residents, focusing on families and senior citizens, offering a model community where people can experience the benefits of smart living firsthand. Over time, the population is expected to grow to 2,000, including Toyota employees, researchers, and innovators who will test emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, robotics, and smart home systems in real-world conditions. Woven City is not simply a city. It is a living laboratory designed to experiment with new ways of living, working, and moving. By integrating sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and human-focused design, it provides a glimpse into how cities of the future might function, offering solutions that could influence urban development worldwide. This version is 220-plus words and will comfortably take more than 1 minute to present aloud. Absolutely. Here's your rephrased script, expanded to over 200 words and suitable for a 1-minute narration. The Stratosfera Aquatica, also called the Aquatica Stratosphere, is an extraordinary concept vehicle designed by the visionary P. Paolarini. This unique spherical craft is designed to operate seamlessly on water, land, and even in the air, making it one of the most versatile vehicles ever imagined. Constructed from high-strength carbon fiber, it has a compact diameter of 1.65 meters and is built to carry 2 passengers comfortably. Its innovative design allows it to move effortlessly across different terrains while maintaining stability and speed. Powered by 2 advanced electric motors, the Stratosfera Aquatica can reach speeds of up to 30 knots, or around 34 miles per hour, when traveling on water. To enhance its performance, it is equipped with a sophisticated system of hydrofoils, which lift the vehicle above the water's surface at high speeds, reducing drag and providing a smoother ride. But its capabilities extend far beyond the water. The craft is also capable of flight, reaching impressive speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour, or roughly 155 miles per hour, offering an unparalleled sense of freedom and mobility. While the Stratosfera Aquatica remains a concept at this stage, with no announced public release date, it represents a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. By combining electric propulsion, hydrofoil technology, and the ability to fly in a single compact spherical vehicle, it challenges traditional ideas about mobility and hints at a future where seamless travel across land, water, and air could become a reality. This concept could revolutionize the way we think about speed, convenience, and innovation in modern transportation. If you want, I can also make it read naturally for a smooth, dramatic voiceover, so it will be perfect to narrate without sounding rushed. Do you want me to do that? Absolutely. Here's your script fully rephrased, expanded, and polished to over 200 words for a 1-minute plus narration. Terminal 4 at Baoan International Airport in Shenzhen and the new Bowen International Airport in Xinjiang are set to become landmarks of modern aviation design. The design competition for Bowen International Airport was won by Roger Stirk's firm, Harbor Plus Partners, working alongside the China Northeast Architectural Design and Research Institute in Xinjiang. Their vision is a state-of-the-art 400,000 square meter terminal building featuring 60 new aircraft stands and smooth connections to the midfield satellite. Collaborating with ACECOM and Railway 2, the design will integrate seamlessly with both existing and planned transport networks, ensuring passengers experience effortless mobility. The terminal is designed to accommodate 31 million passengers annually, including 24 million international travelers and 7 million domestic visitors. At the heart of this design is a central garden spanning 10,000 square meters, equivalent to 40 tennis courts. According to Andrew Tiley, partner at Harbor Plus Partners, this garden acts as the gateway to Shenzhen, linking ground and air travel while creating a welcoming, open, and visually striking space. In a parallel innovation, Arnold Matisse Architecture introduces Bioframe, a modular hybrid mass timber system that can be added to existing towers. This system strengthens structural performance, boosts sustainability, and creates flexible outdoor spaces that can adapt to the wellness and recreational needs of urban residents. With more than half of the world's population now living in cities and millions migrating to urban centers each week, the demand for green spaces is growing rapidly. Bioframe allows existing buildings to contribute vertical outdoor spaces, improving city life quality and addressing the need for recreation and wellness in modern urban environments. If you want, I can also make an even more cinematic and narrative-driven version that reads naturally for a video, emphasizing flow, pauses, and visual imagery, which would make it feel longer than 1 minute. Do you want me to do that next?